Hello and welcome back to Created by Vision LLC. I am so excited to share with you this tutorial today in which I will be showing you a coding trick that no one's talking about, but that's quickly becoming one of my favorite ways to elevate my websites and digital projects. Something that will absolutely revolutionize your business and personal projects too. By the end of the video, you'll know how to create interactive digital tools such as calculators, quizzes, forms, and so much more in less than 10 minutes with absolutely no coding experience. So getting straight into the video, we're going to start with ChatGPT. And in ChatGPT, I am going to give it a prompt to create a code for a project pricing calculator. For this calculator, I essentially want to help clients explore personalized program options, costs, and commitment levels for an online health and wellness business. Of course, when you do this, you will create your own prompt, but at minimum, you want it to include inputs and outputs, so the information that the user will provide and what the calculator will show, and then you'll want to add instructions for the design and any other important information. Be sure to tell the program that you want it to build out a code. And a helpful hint, tell ChatGPT to not include any placeholder or non-working buttons. Otherwise, it may add buttons that are not functional. Once you enter your prompt into ChatGPT, it will generate your code like you see here. It should take no more than a few minutes depending on the complexity of your prompt and what you're trying to create. Feel free to skip this part. I'm just showing here how long it takes in real time. Okay, now the code is complete, and I really like this feature here where you can actually preview your creation. If everything looks good, you can click this icon here and copy the code. Now we're going to go over to Wix Studio and open up our website. I'm going to go over to the left toolbar and click the addition button to add an element. Next, we'll scroll down to embed in social, embed code, and you should see this gray box pop up. Next, you're going to click enter code, and we'll paste our code from ChatGPT, and then click apply. And there's our calculator. Here you can adjust the height if you'd like. Now, a bonus tip, you want your creation to be fully responsive. That is, you want it to look good no matter the device the user is on. One of my favorite things about the Wix Studio platform is the responsive AI feature, which automatically creates the best layout for your website across all devices. To access it, click the section that the form is in. Then you're going to click this sparkle kind of icon. Click generate now, and AI is going to work its magic. Now that it's finished generating, if everything looks good, you can click apply design. If not, you can discard changes and make it responsive manually. But I find that this feature, even though it's still in its beta phase, typically works really well. At the very most, you may have to make some minor adjustments, but other than that, it's super useful and takes care of everything for you. And I'm just going to use the resizing handles and adjust the calculator. You can also make changes using the inspector on the right. to the eye icon and select preview. And that's it. Now you can easily create interactive digital experiences for clients, customers, and students in less than 10 minutes with absolutely no coding experience. I hope this tutorial sparked some ideas and left you feeling inspired. If you're working on something meaningful, whether it's a brand, a business, or a bold new project, I'd love to hear how you're using this method. Your feedback shapes future content and maybe even future offerings. So drop your ideas or questions in the comments. I'm listening. Happy creating. Until next time.